Two famous carriers, one showdown. Verizon or Visible? Which one really delivers? On the left, Verizon. Premium network packed with perks and support. On the right, Visible. Unlimited data for less, powered by Verizon's coverage. Let's skip the marketing talk and look at what matters most. We'll score them across key categories, so you'll see exactly who takes the win. And the winner in 2025 might surprise you. Let me just lay out all the categories we're going to cover today so you have the full picture, all right? First up, price. What do these plans cost? Then, network and coverage. Where can you actually use them, and how reliable is it? Next, plan features and perks, because everybody loves a good perk, right? Then we've got speed and performance, flexibility and customer support, and finally, device compatibility. Yep, what phones actually work. So, keep these in mind as we go. All right, let's start off with price, because honestly, who isn't looking to save some cash these days? So Verizon is kind of like the VIP section. You pay for those multi-line discounts and a bunch of premium features. But it's also straight up the most expensive in the business. Like, be ready for taxes and fees to sneak up. Now, Visible's whole vibe is basically unlimited for less. We're talking $25 to $35 a month. No contracts, it's all prepaid, and the pricing is super clear. What you see is what you pay. Oh, one thing. Visible doesn't do family plans, and if you want to finance your phone, you have to use their third-party setup. Still, for most folks wanting max savings, Visible definitely wins the price round. Moving on to network and coverage. Verizon, okay, no joke, it's got priority access to the fastest speeds. Probably the best choice for power users who want that blazing 5G. Plus, their coverage is huge. One tiny catch. If you use up your premium data cap, it can throttle. Now, with Visible, you're riding the Verizon network too, so coverage is pretty great almost everywhere they reach. But, and here's the deal, you get deprioritized if things get crowded, so your speeds can slow down unless you upgrade to Visible Plus. And even then, you're capped at 50 gigabytes of premium. So for heavy users, Verizon still comes out on top for network and coverage. Next, let's chat plan features and perks. So, Verizon, get this. Hotspot data is super fast, and they throw in streaming bundles as add-ons if you want. Tons of device financing options, too. And, you can travel to over 210 countries with their international talk, text, and data plans. To be fair, some perks do cost extra. Visible's perks are the basics. You get unlimited hotspot data, though speeds are capped. No surprise charges. Mexico and Canada calls and texts are included. Managing your account online is easy, but compared to all of Verizon's premium options, Visible's extras are pretty slim. If you love perks, Verizon majorly wins here. Oh, quick fun fact before we wrap. Did you know Visible is totally owned by Verizon? But here's the twist. They're run like a digital-only brand. 0 stores, everything's online. Which is honestly kind of wild, and explains their low prices. Makes sense, right? Speed and performance. This one's pretty spicy. Verizon absolutely smashes it. Fastest data speeds almost everywhere, and you get priority treatment in high-traffic areas. But, fair heads up, they scale pricing by speed tier, which is kinda meh. With Visible, you get decent speeds, especially on the Visible Plus plan, where you have 50 gigabytes of premium access. No hard data caps, but if the network gets congested or you're on the basic plan, your speeds shoot down. For the speed demons out there, Verizon is definitely your pick. All right, flexibility and customer support, something everyone forgets until they need it. Verizon lets you walk into a store, call, chat, whatever works. Trading in devices is a breeze too. But their plan setup is honestly kind of complicated. Visible's all about simplicity. Sign up, cancel, manage everything online, totally hassle-free. But if something goes wrong, you can't just go to a store. There's no physical support, and device trade-ins only work if you got your phone from them. So, for most people who want that extra handhold, Verizon's got the edge. Last up, device compatibility. Verizon works with basically everything, including some phone exclusives you can't get anywhere else. And their upgrade and buyback options are actually decent. Visible is solid. You can bring pretty much any unlocked device that works on Verizon's network. The bit of a catch, if you want to finance a new phone, you have to go through a partner instead of directly through Visible. So, Verizon takes the win, just more options overall. Looking at our score chart, Visible totally kills it on price. But as we go across other categories, network, perks, speed, support, devices, it's Verizon flexing those premium muscles. You can actually see where each one stands out, so picking the right one gets way easier. So here's my take. If you're flying solo, want unlimited data for the smallest price tag, and don't really care about fancy extras or walking into a store, Visible is crazy good value. But if you want every premium perk, need international options, or you're that family or power user who's got to have top speed all the time, then Verizon, it's worth it. Just think about how you use your phone day to day and how much you're willing to spend. All right, if this helped clear things up, don't forget to check out a few more comparisons before settling down. And stay tuned. There are more face-offs coming